People can occasionally get overwhelmed over how to file tax returns as soon as the tax filing season approaches, but there are some basic steps that you can take to make the whole process hassle-free. And in this video, I'll take you through those steps of how to file a US tax return. But first, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. Let's start by looking at some of the ways to file tax returns. Hiring a professional is typically the first point of call. Utilizing software to calculate tax liability is another option that you can implement. Federal and state websites can also offer guidelines on how to file taxes online. These can also provide the option of filling forms online and paying online through a credit card or other electronic means like mobile apps. Filing taxes on your own will help you to understand your earnings, transactions, and your expenditures. Taxpayers who don't have multiple income sources or only have salary income should pay their taxes themselves, as it's easier and it is unlikely there'll be extra loopholes or rebates. What should be kept in mind when filing taxes? First and foremost, you need to know when the tax season starts. In America, it's usually the first few months of the year between January 1 and April 15. And for Australians, for example, the taxable period is between July 1 and June 30, which means when July comes around, you can lodge and claim your tax returns. On some occasions, the government also extends the date to file taxes. You'll need to do some basic preparations for documentation before you file taxes. For example, you'll need an identity and proof of age document, and if you're in the US, your social security number and dependents. Also, make sure to take Form W-2 from your employer, showing your income and taxes paid by the employer on your behalf. Also get ready with Form 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation. That's if you earn more than $600 a year US if you're a freelancer or a gig worker. Form 1099 MISC is for those who make over $600 through ways like crop insurance or rent or other incomes. Banks will provide Form 1099 INT if you've received more than $10 as interest. And you need to have a record of the contribution you made to the retirement fund. What are some special schemes? Taxpayers can claim tax deductions in two ways: standard deduction and itemized deduction. Standard deductions for 2021 are $12,550 for a single taxpayer and those married filing separately, $18,800 for the head of the house, and $25,100 for married couples filing jointly. Federal and various states have different rules for deduction. For example, the federal government imposes taxes on pension and social security schemes, but many states exempt them from taxation. Itemized deduction is expenses that can be cut from adjusted gross income to decrease taxable income. And honestly, it's not that difficult to do. If you carefully read the instructions, you'll know exactly what's required. Just make sure you've been paying your taxes to date and then simply fill out the forms and a nice little return should be on its way. If you enjoyed the information contained in this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, and of course don't forget to press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.